In this video, you will learn that how to measure solar current with the help of Arduino. So let's make the circuit, and first of all choose the component from here. Pick the Arduino Uno, double click on it, and now choose the LCD. I'm choosing the 20x4 LCD. Double click on it, and now choose the ACS 712. So here you can see the current sensors. This can measure up to 5 ampere, and this can measure up to 20 ampere, and this can measure up to 30 ampere. So let me choose the 30 ampere current sensor. So double click on it, and now choose the resistor. So we will use it as a load. So double click on it. Now choose the solar panel. So here you can see the solar panel, and if you don't have this solar panel in your Proteus, so you can add it as an external library. You can download the library from the link provided in the description. And if you don't know how to add the solar panel to the Proteus, so you can watch my video, link is also available in the description, and from there you can learn that how to add the solar panel to Proteus. So double click on it, and now let's make the circuit. So first of all, place the solar panel here. Now connect the current sensor with it. So let me connect the DC ampere meter. So this ampere meter will be used for the verification of current. So let me connect it with this like this. So connect it with the current sensor, and now connect the resistor as a load, rotate it, and now connect it like this. Connect the negative terminal of the solar panel with the resistor like this. Now ground this as well. Connect ground with the sensor as well. Also connect the power with it. Now place the Arduino on and connect the power and ground with it as well. Connect the power and ground with it. Now connect the out pin of the sensor with Arduino pin A0, and now connect the LCD with it. So place it here, and now make the connection as I am doing. Now connect the power and ground with it. Connect the ground with it. Now circuit is almost ready, and let me zoom it to a specific area. So now circuit is almost ready, and let's check the code. So here you can see the code, and the thing that you have to keep in mind, this is the sensitivity, as we are using the 30 ampere current, sorry, the 30 ampere current sensor. So we have to use the sensitivity 66, and if you are using the 5 ampere module, so you have to use the 185 sensitivity, and if you are using the 20 ampere module, so you have to use the sensitivity as an 100. So let me run it, and after compilation, copy the hex file from here. So copy the hex file from here, select it, and now press Ctrl C. Now paste the hex file in the Arduino like this, paste it here and now click on OK. Now run the simulation. So here you can see let me change the value of the resistor. So let me change it to 2 ampere. Sorry. Now let me run it. And we have connected the wrong pins over here. So connect this pin with the Arduino pin 5 volt. Now let me run it again. So here you can see the bright light, my channel name. Here you can see current measurement, the project name, and here you can see the current of the solar panel. So here you can see the current, which is 5.99 ampere, and which is equal to 6 ampere. Also you can check it on ampere meter, which is 6 amperes. Let me zoom it to a specific area so we can. So here you can see 6 ampere. Also the current on the LCD is 6 ampere as well. So let me change the resistance and then check how it works. So double click on it and now make the resistance from 2 to 3 and now run the simulation. So here you can see 4 ampere. Also you can check on the LCD 4 ampere. So let me change it again and make it 3.2. Now let me check it again, run it. So here you can see the current, which is on ampere meter 3.4. Here as well you can see the 3.4 ampere. And let me change it again, change it from 3.5 to 4.7 and let me run it again. Here the current is 2.55. Here you can see the current which is 2.59, which is almost equal. So let me stop it again and change the value from 4 to let me make it 2.2. Run it and now check it again. So here you can see 5.45 and here you can see 5.47, so which is almost equal. So this was the method of how to measure the current of the solar panel with the help of Arduino. The circuit diagram and code link is available in the description. The download link of solar panel library is also available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.